Hey guys, this is Oshin and welcome back to my channel. Well, sorry कि मैं सूलिये में हूँ क्योंकि आज संडे है. I was literally rotting in my bed the whole day. मतलब बहुत लेजी फील कर रही थी आज मैं. Literally लेटे पूरा time I was just contemplating and overthinking about my past few years of my life because overthinker हूँ तो हूँ अभी मतलब क्या ही कर सकते हैं. But yes, thinking about that, उसमें one of the prominent things जो मैं जिसके बारे में सोच रही थी and the journey I had and that was my acne. Yes, so acne was one of the saddest things I had to go through in my life. वो कुछ 2 साल पहले चालू हुआ and I thought कि let's get up and film this because this can help a lot of people because I have struggled, so I know the pain. So without wasting much time, let's get into today's video. In my early 20s or maybe in my teenager, I had really bad habits. I mean, I think at some point we all have. जंक खाना, फास्ट फूड खाना, कोई टाइम खाने का या कोई नॉर्मल मतलब जो अच्छी लाइफस्टाइल बोलता है ना उससे एकदम ऑपोजिट करना. सो दैट वाज मी. एंड व्हेन यू आर young and you're in your early 20s, your body can take it. But jab I was almost, reaching 30s because now I'm 30. In my late 20s, so it happened 2 years back. So when I was 28, I don't know what happened. I started having sudden breakouts and the breakout was bad, really bad. मतलब एक टाइम पे people used to be like, wow, you have paper skin, you have flawless skin, it's spotless. मतलब people used to be jealous of my skin and I don't know if it's नज़र और if it's lifestyle. Not blame others, तो मैं इसको मेरी ही गलती को समझती हूँ. I consider it my lifestyle. And वो 28 में जो मेरा चालू हुआ, I don't know what happened. I tried each and everything, it did not work. So I went to I don't know how many dermats. None of their treatments was working until I found one magical person, I mean a dermat, whose treatment literally helped me. And she was a kind of person who was, who literally understood and told me that it is more than the products, it was my lifestyle. Other dermats, I mean, I don't want to, do a blame game here, but they were more into selling their products, cosmetic products, or maybe medicated or something, but those are very expensive. And we all know that skin treatments are very expensive. इन्होंने मुझे reasonable प्राइसेस में मुझे मेडिसिन्स या ऑइंटमेंट्स जो भी उन्होंने मुझे रेकमेंड किया. शी टोल्ड मी टू मेक लाइफस्टाइल चेंजेस विच इंक्लूड्स माई ईटिंग हैबिट्स, माई स्लीपिंग हैबिट्स एंड एवरीथिंग आई डू, इवन कंट्रोलिंग स्ट्रेस. सो जब तो मैंने ना फिर मुझे समझ आ गया कि आई कैन नॉट कंटिन्यू दिस लाइफ एनी मोर. मुझे यहाँ से दिस इज़ द टाइम आई हैव टू चेंज और आई जस्ट हैव टू लिव विद इट. एंड आई डिडंट लाइक टू सी माई सेल्फ दैट वे इन द मिरर. सो वहाँ से मेरी जर्नी स्टार्ट हुई. मैंने पहली और सबसे प्रोमिनेंट चीज़ की, दैट वाज टू चेंज माई ईटिंग हैबिट्स. सो आई स्विच टू ऑलिव ऑयल. आई स्टॉप्ड ईटिंग बाहर का खाना एज मच एज आई कुड. मे बी 2 महीने में, 1.5 महीने में कभी एक बार कभी बाहर गए तो खा लिया, अदरवाइज नो. अल्कोहल, एरेटेड ड्रिंक्स एंड सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट, कटिंग डाउन ऑन शुगर. दैट वॉज अ गेम चेंजर. मैंने जब से शुगर लेना बंद किया है, मेरी लाइफ मतलब 360 रिवर्स है. मुझे बहुत फटीग फील होता था, मेरी अब नॉर्मल वेट गेन हो रही थी, एक्ने तो था ही था, बट द मोमेंट आई स्टॉप्ड इट आई कुड सी द डिफरेंस. और खाने में आई स्टार्टेड इंक्लूडिंग अ लॉट ऑफ ग्रीन्स, लीफी वेजिटेबल्स. एंड इफ़ यू हैव नॉट सीन माई प्रीवियस वीडियो, मैंने एक वीडियो बनाया है जहाँ पे आई मेड अ स्किन केयर ड्रिंक विच इज़ नॉट ओनली गोइंग टू हेल्प योर स्किन but also hair health and also weight management. So you can just go and watch that. It will give you a detailed explanation as to how to make the drink and how to consume it. So yeah, coming back to that, फिर मैंने वो drink भी लेना चालू किया because your gut plays a very important role when it comes to skin health. So my gut was all messed up with my habits and everything. So the moment I started drinking that drink, मेरा gut kind of reset हो गया, I would say. I literally used to have good mornings. Now you understand why. So yeah, that was one thing. मेरा gut reset हो गया, detox हो गया मेरा body, skin तो भाई अलग level पे चमकने लगा. And one more mistake which we all do, because we are on the internet all the time, we tend to get influenced. We buy products, we see skincare, all expensive brands, this, that, whatnot. I used to do the same. I used to slap I don't know how many layers of skincare on my face, and that that literally contributed to my acne breakout, because my pores were not clean, it was all clogged. No matter how many times I was doing my cleansing, it was just not working. उसके बाद मैंने रियलाइज़ किया कि मुझे कुछ चेंजेस उसमें भी करना पड़ेगा, which my doctor, of course, I mean my dermat, which told me, she while she was prescribing me things, सबसे बड़ा challenge इसलिए था because I have dry skin. So acne, if you see, बहुत oily skin वाले को ये problem रहती है. Like only oily skin people goes through this problem because of the excess sebum getting produced on their skin and all of that. मेरा तो dry है, sebum production हो रहा था. You know why? Because of all those layers of skincare which I had to clean it off, completely detox my skin as well. So she gave me some products which would not really dry my skin. It'll it has a cream consistency, but also it's powdery. So once you apply it, you will feel that there's something on the face, like how we apply a cream and we feel that there's something on the face, but it will not give you that oily chipchipa kind of a feeling. Let me also tell you that lifestyle changes does not only mean eating good and sleeping on time. You have to include some kind of exercises in your daily life, which I was not doing. I was a person who used to be like, कुछ भी हो जाए, मैं जब भी जिम नहीं जाऊंगी, और मैं आज तक भी जिम नहीं जाती, बट मैं क्या करती हूँ, मैं घर पे ही आई ट्राई टू डू सम काइंड ऑफ कार्डियोज, थोड़ा बेसिक स्ट्रेचिंग, थोड़ा जंपिंग जैक्स कर लिया. सो आई गिव 30 minutes ऑफ माई डेज टाइम टू माई बॉडी. एंड उसमें मुझे और एक चीज़ मिली कि आई हैव लिटरली माई एनर्जी लेवल्स हैव गॉन अप. पहले इतना लेथार्जिक एंड आई यूज्ड टू फील फटीग ऑल द टाइम. आई हैड दिस लाइट हेडेडनेस, डिजीनेस, everything was gone. And now I love it so much कि I just can't go back to my old routine. मतलब मुझे कोई अगर ऐसा बाहर का खाना ला के भी देता है ना, I just don't feel like eating. I love eating home food, and because I have seen the results, so I don't want to go back to where I was. So talking about the products she gave me, I'll show you the 3 hero products which literally worked. So first is this cleanser. So this is an Ethiglow. Okay, I don't know if you can see it. Ethiglow cleanser. It has 2 ingredients actually, but main ingredient is salicylic acid. So salicylic acid, what happens? It cleans your pores. It actually deep cleanses your pores. So that is one. Second, she gave me this cream, Aziderm. Aziderm has azelaic acid cream. It also about that creamy texture yet little powdery kind of thing. This cream is for that. I mean, it has worked wonders. I use it in the morning, I use it in the night, and it is great. And last but not the least is this sunscreen. This is by this is Sunstop. This is Sunstop Acne 30 SPF. These two products, these two products have the same consistency, and of course, you should never skip your sunscreen. So I use this daily, no matter what, and my skin has this glow, natural glow. My face has brightened. This is the condition right now. but it has, of course, my acne has decreased a lot. Yeah, so that was all from my side. But again, do not listen to me. Consult a dermat. But for the lifestyle part, try to include greens, some basic workouts in your daily life, and eat healthy, sleep well, and try to control stress as much as you can, because that is very important. I hope this helps. For more such content, like, share, and subscribe. For now, bye bye.